before the sun sets on her 16th birthday and fall into a sleep like death.
The princess can be woken from her death sleep, but only by true love's kiss.
I will not ask your forgiveness, because what I have done to you is unforgivable.
Разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
Hello, godmother.